Good evening to all. How are you all? Today we are discussing about clock. Do you know clock? In the clock topic, there are always five type questions asked in the clock topic. First, first one, first one is find the angle. Find the angle to tailing. And second one is find the time to tailing angle. And third one is error based questions. And fourth one is water mirror image. And fifth one is IQ based questions. Let's start with the first one. Is it done? There is a clock. It's a look like a egg. Wait. Let's suppose it's a correct. 12, 6, 3, 9, 10, 11, 1, 2. A needle of clock rotates in a circular way, and we all know that a circle is a 360 degree. So we can say that this area is 360, and 360 degree is divided into how many parts? 12 parts. There is numbers 1 to 12. So 360 degree divides into 12 parts. So what is the value of each parts? 360 upon 12. It's a 30 degree. The difference between each numbers is 30 degree. Difference between 12 to 1, 30 degree, 1 to 2, 30 degree, 2 to 3, 30 degree. Is it clear? Let's suppose it's a 12 o'clock. It's a 12 o'clock. And minute hands move forwards and completes a circle. When the minute hands reach 12 again, then it's a 60 minutes. Minute hand start from 12 and this 12, then it's a 60 minute. It's a 60 minute. But how many degree? 360 degree. Hello? 360 degree. Because minute hands complete a circle. A circle is a 360 degree. So it's a 360 degree. 60 minute into equal to 360 degree. 1 minute equal to 360 upon 60. 1 minute equal to 6 degree. Minute hand. Minute hand. Is it clear? A minute hand completes a 6 degree in every 1 minute. Is it done? Let's suppose it's a 12 o'clock. If minute hand completes a rotation of 60 minutes, then our hand will go on 1. Then it's become 1 o'clock after 60 minutes. So when the minute hand completes a rotation of 60 minutes, then how many degree move forward our hand? It's a 30 degree, because the difference between every numbers is 30 degree. So 30 degree, 60 minute equal to 30 degree. So 1 minute equal to 30 upon 60. 1 minute equal to 1 upon 2 degree. It's our hand. Our hand moves half degree in every 1 minute, and minute hand moves 6 degree in every 1 minute. Is it clear? Is it clear? Formula. It's not a sign of subtraction. It's a sign of difference. It's a sign of difference. Is it done? we will discuss concept of type second. Find the time to telling angle. It's a concept of type 1, and let's start concept of type second. Let's suppose it's a 12 o'clock and minute hand starting moving forward. Then it's a rotation of 60 minutes, and our hand after 60 minutes our hand will become 1 o'clock. Clear? So when the minute hand rotates 60 minutes, then our hand rotates only 5 minutes. So if we will see 50 minutes gain, 50 minutes gain, minute hand will 50 minutes gain in 60 minutes, in 60 minutes, because all the time are taken by the minute hand and our hand, it's a 60 minutes. Clear? 50 minutes gain in 60 minutes, 1 minute gain, 1 minute gain equal to 60 upon 55. It's a 1 minute gain equal to 12 upon 11. T into 30 plus minus, because all the angles becomes 2 times in every 1 hours. In every hours all the angles becomes 2 times except 0 and 180 degree, because 0 and 180 degree becomes only 1 time in every 1 hours. So if the examiner asked first time, then we will do minus, and for the second time we will do plus. Wait. What is the answer? Wait, it's a 440. 40 is a minutes and 4 is the hour. So put the value of hour is 4. 4 into 30, difference 40 minutes. 40 into 11 upon 2. 20. 30 into 4, it's a 120. And difference 220. It's a 100 degree. 100 degree is the correct answer. Is it clear? Is it clear? Wait. It's a 440. And if the clock is showing 440, then minute hand is on 8 number. And our base is 4. So let's zoom. Minute our hand is at 4. Then how many degree becomes minute hand and our hand? 30, 30, 30, 30. 30 plus 30, 60. 60 plus 30, 90. 90 plus 30, it's a 120 degree. If you find the our hand behind to minute hand, we will minus how many degree? The half of the minute. 40 minus half of the 40 is 20. 120 minus 20 degree, it's a 100 degree. Is it clear? Any doubt? $440. What is the ratio between 4 and 40? 1 by 10. That's good. If we find the ratio 1 by 10, then we will do minute into 5 upon 2. We will get our answer. Only if we get 1 ratio 10. So minute 40. 40 into 5 upon 2, it's a 100 degree. Clear? Any doubt? Why are you so sad? Any problem? Be happy. Please give the answer of this question. You can do with the help of formula. वो पानी है, पानी पी रहे हो ना? यार एसी चल रही फिर भी गर्मी हो रही है. In the place of hour, we will write 10. 10 into 30 difference 10 into 11 upon 2. 5. 300 difference 55. It's a 245 degree. It's a reflex angle. The reflex angle between 180 to 360. So we will subtract 250 from 360. It's a 115. D option is our correct answer. Is it clear? 12, 6, 3, 9, 10, 11, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7 and 8. 10, 10. If the clock is showing 10, 10, 10, then minute hand is on the 2. It's a minute hand. And let's suppose clock hand is on 10. How many degree becomes minute hand in our hand? 30, 60, 90, 120. But our hand is moves forward. So we will minus how many degree? Half of the minute hand. Half of the 10 is 5. 120 minus 5 equal to 150. It's easier than this. Is it clear? What is the answer? Anyone? A. Good. Shabash. We'll write 9 in the place of hour. 9 into 30 difference 45 and 2 11 upon 2. It's a 22.5. It's a 270. And 225 247.5. It's a 22.5 degree. It's a 22.5 degree. Is it clear? 9:45. What is the ratio between 9 and 45? 1 by 5. When we get the ratio 1 5, then we will do minute into 1 upon 2. We'll get our answer. Minute is 45. 45 into 1 upon 2, it's a 22.5 degree. Only then when we get 1:5 ratio. थोड़ी देर रुक के आते हम बाहर ही मिल लेते. Is it clear? Are you getting my point or not? Please give the answer of this question. What is the answer? 75. It's a ratio of 1:10. Then we will do minute into 5.2. In the place of hour, we'll write 3. 3 into 30, difference 30 into 11 upon 2. 15. It's a 90 and it's a 165. 75 degree. Clear? Twelve, 6, 3, 9, 10, 11, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7 and 8. Minute hand is on 6 and let's suppose our hand is at 3. So how many degree? In every number 30 degree difference. 30, 30, 30. It's a 90 degree and our hand is behind the minute hand. So we will do minus. How many degree? Half of the minute. Minute is 30. 30. Half of the 30 is 15. 19 minus 15. It's a 75 degree. Is it clear? 3 into 30. What is the ratio between 3 and 30? 1:10. When we get ratio of 1:10, then we will do minute into 5/2. So minute is 30. 30 into 5/2. 15. 15 into 5, it's a 75 degree. Is it clear? What happened? Is it clear? What is the answer? What is the answer? Hello. What happened? What happened? What is the answer? C. Confused. Gentlemen got the right answer. 160. R into 30 difference. It's a sign of difference. It's a not a subtraction sign. Minute into 11 upon 2. 2 into 30 difference minute 40 into 11 upon 2. It's a 20. It's a 60 and 20 into 11. It's a 220. 160 degree. It's a sign of a difference. It's not a minus sign. It's implemented only then we will get to 1 is to 10. This one is only then when we get the ratio of 1 is to 10 between minute and hour. 240, it's not a ratio of 1 is to 10. No, there is no. Wait. 240. 240. Minute hand is at and let's suppose that our hand is at 2. How many degree between minute hand and our hand? 30, 30 plus 30, 60, 60 plus 30, 90, 90 plus 30, 120, 150 and 180. If our hand is behind the minute hand, we will do minus. How many degree? Half of the minute. So minute is 40 and half of the 40 is 20. 180 minus 20, it's a 160 degree. Is it clear? Clear? Wait. Hmm.
That our hand is behind minute hand is behind our hand.
Okay. We will describe. Now visual. 4 is hour. So 4 into 30 difference. 35 is minute. 35 into 11 upon 2. 17.5 and 120. It's a 72.5 degree. Hello. Watch. 12, 6, 3, 9, 10, 11, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7 and 8. 4:35. If the clock is showing 4:35, then minute hand is on the number 7. It's a minute hand. When the clock is showing 35, then minute hand always on the number 7, exact number 7. And let's assume it's a our hand is at number 4. It's a our hand. Clear? So how many degree between minute hand and our hand? 30, 30, 30. It's a 90 degree. And our hand is behind the minute hand. Behind means before. So we will do minus. If our hand is before the minute hand, then we will do minus. How many degree? Half of the minute. Minute is 35. Half of the 35 is 17.5. It's a 72.5 degree. Is it clear? Now, clear? What happened? Please give the answer. What is the answer? What is the ratio between 630? 1 by 5. And when will we will get 1:5 ratio, then minute into 1 upon 2. It's a 15 degree our correct answer. No need to do anything else. Is it clear? Yeah.
Give him in the our hand. We don't count the beginning.
Wait. Are you asking about 630?
Yeah, 630 and 449.
12, 6. Wait. We'll discuss on the board. Look at the board. He is asking that when the minute hand and hour hand is at the same place, just like at the 630. When the clock is showing 30, minute hand is at the 6th number, and let's assume our hand is at 6. It's a confirm that minute hand is on at the place of number 6. It's a confirm, but minute hand is moves forward, because in 30 minutes clock moves forward after by the 30 half of the 30, because we know in every 1 minute our hand is moves half degree. So in 30 minutes clock also moves half of the 30, 15 degree. So minute hand is our hand is their place. Is it clear? What is the answer? Five into 30 difference 40 into 11 upon 2, 20, 150 and 220. It's a 70 degree. Is it clear? Minute hand at the place of number 8, and let's assume clock is our hand is at the place of 5. So how many degree? 30, 30, 30. It's a 90 degree. It's a 90 degree. And if you see our hand is before the minute hand, so we will do minus. If our hand is front of the minute hand, then we will do plus. So our hand is before the minute hand, we will do minus. How many degree? 40. Half of the 40, 20. It's a 70 degree. Is it clear? Clear? What is the ratio between 540? 1 by 8. And when we will get the ratio 1:8, then we will do our difference minute into 2, always when we will get ratio 1:10. So difference between minute hand and hour hand is 35. 35 into 2, it's a 70 degree. Clear? Any doubt? What is the answer? Now visible? See, it means 67.5. 5 into 30 difference 15 into 11 upon 2, 7.5, 150, 67.5 degree. Clear? Five 15. If clock is showing 5:15, then minutes hand is at the place of number 3. And let's suppose our hand is at number 5. How many degree between minute hand and our hand? 3, 30 and 30. It's a 60 degree. And in this condition, minute hand is before the hour hand. So we will do plus. We'll do plus. How many degree? Half of the 15. 7.5. It's a 67.5. It's easier than this. And what is the ratio between 5:15? 1/3. When we will get the ratio of 1/3, then we will do minute into 4 into 5. Always. When we get the ratio of 1:3. Minute is 15. 15 into 4.5. It's a 67.5 degree. Is it clear? Any doubt? What is the answer? R into 30 difference minute into 11 upon 2. 8 into 30 difference 32 into 11 upon 2. It's a 16. 240 176 64 degree. How many students got the right answer? 64. Good. What is the ratio between 8 32? 1 is to 4. When we get the ratio 1 is to 4, then we will do minute into 2 always. Minute is 32. 32 into 2, it's a 64. What is the answer? Maybe. Is it done? R into 30 difference minute into 11 upon 2. 7 into 30 difference 210 and 110. It's a 100 degree. 100 degree. Okay. If the clock is showing 7:20, minute hand is at the place of 4, and let's assume our hand is at 7. So what is the angle between minute hand and our hand? 30, 60, 90. It's a 90 degree. And if you see, minute hand is before the hour hand, so we will do plus. How many degree? 10. 100 degree. Is it clear? It's a homework question. It's a homework question, and we'll meet in the next class. So how was the class? You want PDF? Thank you, class.
Okay. I think, 1 minute. Algebra is now completed, I think. Algebra, I think 7 to 8 class already completed. So please check maxima, minima, and roots and all. 1 minute. देख लोगे बस में. Okay. So, okay, right. Algebra. So today I want to start a next topic that is like as geometry, mensuration, trigonometry. Okay. So trigonometry or geometry? Geometry. Okay. Geometry. I think first trigonometry and then after geometry. So right topic, trigonometry. New topic. After trigonometry, I will start geometry. Trigonometry. Okay. Okay. In trigonometry, tri means 3. Gon means sides. This means trigonometry is the branch of 3 sides including 3 angles. Relation in 3 sides and angles. So name is trigonometry. 3 sides, and metry means measurement. Metry means measurement. Measurement. So 3 sides measurement. Sides means sides as well as including angles. Okay. So now take basic structure for trigonometry. So first write basic criteria for this topic. 3 sides means draw a triangle. 3 sides means draw a triangle. That is triangle A, B and C. And in triangle ABC, angle B is right angle. Angle B is right angle. Right angle means having degree 90. So draw a triangle that is ABC, and in ABC, angle B is 90. In this triangle, front side of 90 is called hypotenuse. H, denoted by H, hypotenuse, and take one acute angle as theta, either C or A. Take any one of the angle. I will take C angle. You may take A, either A or C. One will be theta. Theta is acute angle. In front of theta always will be perpendicular. P for perpendicular. P for perpendicular. If we assume theta at A, then this part will be perpendicular. Okay. If this is theta, then this part AB is perpendicular. If you take theta at A, then in front of A, that is BC, will be perpendicular. BC is not always a base. ठीक? Base and perpendicular depending on that theta. Okay. Done. Now rest third side will be base. B for base. So hypotenuse, perpendicular and base. If this theta, then this will be perpendicular, this will be base, and in front of 90 always will be hypotenuse. So there are perpendicular, base and hypotenuse. And theta is any acute angle. What is theta? So theta is a symbol of angle. Theta is a symbol of angle, and theta will be actually acute angle. Acute angle. And acute angle meaning? Acute angle means less than 90 degree. There are two kinds kind of angle. That is, first is acute and second is obtuse. Acute is less than 90 and obtuse is greater than 90 exact. Okay. So theta is acute angle. Theta is a symbol only for angle. So this will be P, H and B. Now write P, B, P. P, B, P, and this will be H, H, B. Write these three symbols as P, B, P and H, H, B. Okay. Always keep in your mind P, B, P divide upon H, H, B. H, H, B. Then this first part P upon H. What you will say P by H? P means perpendicular and H means hypotenuse. So perpendicular upon hypotenuse is always written as sine theta. Sine is only a symbol and theta is angle. So P upon H is called sine theta. Second number B upon H. This B upon H is called cos theta. Next, third, and P upon B will be tan theta. So always keep in your mind sine theta, cos theta and tan theta. With the symbols P by H, B by H, P by B. Perpendicular, hypotenuse. Base, hypotenuse. Perpendicular upon base. But if we are saying P by H, then sine theta. If we are saying opposite, reciprocal, that is hypotenuse upon perpendicular, then this will be called cosec theta. Cosec. This will be cosec theta. This means sine and cosec will be reciprocal. Okay. Sine theta is P upon H and reciprocal of cosec theta is called H upon P. Just opposite. Base upon hypotenuse is cos theta and hypotenuse upon base. Reciprocal will be sec theta. P upon B will be tan theta, but B upon P reciprocal will be cot theta. Cot theta is the reciprocal of tan theta. So there are only 6 naming: sine, cos, tan, and 3 will be reciprocal: cosec, sec and cot. Reciprocal of sine is cosec, reciprocal of cos is sec, reciprocal invertible process of tan is cot. There are only 6 fundamental namings in trigonometry. In any class, 12th, BSc, PhD, in any class, till IIT. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, this is the basic part of in the first page. Is there any kind of confusion? No, right. Now take second page of trigonometry. Second page. Now always sine square theta plus cos square theta always equal to 1. This is the identity, formula identity. Sine square theta plus cos square theta always equal to 1. Second will be 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. And third will be 1 plus cot square theta will be cosec square theta. Cosec square theta. And fourth will be sine theta divided by cos theta will be tan theta. These four are basic identities. Note it down. Basic formula, basic identity. Okay. One, two, three, and 4. I think all is okay. Run. Then take one question from SSC CGL. Question number one is the PYQ of SSC CGL. SSC CGL. And question is sine square 1923 plus cos square 1923 equals. What will be answer for this question? I think 1, because identity saying sine square theta is any angle, 100, 200, 300, 1900, any angle. Sine square theta plus cos square theta in any case always will be 1. So this part will be sine square theta is any angle, plus cos square same theta, same angle. So this part will be 1. This will be your answer. Any doubt in this question? In any case, sine square theta, sine square beta, theta, eta, in any case, always write 1 according to that identity. Okay. Now take third page. Question number 2. Question number 2. Question number 2 is first take this page. Theta means angle, so write theta, and theta means 0 degree, then 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, and 90 degree. 90 degree. First take sine theta. means sine 0 degree. Sine 0 degree is always 0. Value of sine 0 degree means sine 0 angle always 0. Sine 30 degree always equal to 1 by 2. Sine 45 degree always equal to 1 by root 2. Sine 60 degree will be root 3 by 2. Sine 90 degree will be always 1. Value of sine 90 degree will be 1. Sine 90 degree will be 1. Sine 90 degree will be 1. Okay. Now then after sine take cos theta. Cos 0 degree. Cos 0 degree. Cos. For cos, reverse this series. Means 0, 0 to 1. So reverse these numbers. That is 1. 1 in first. So sine 0 degree is 1. Now this number, reverse all table. Now then this number 1 by root 2. Then that number 1 by 2. Then at last 0. Take reverse of this series. So sine 0 is from 0 to 1 and cos will be from 1 to 0. 0 to 1 and 1 to 0. Sine and cos. Then what will be tan? What will be tan? Tan. You know that tan theta will be sine theta by cos theta. This is the formula. This is the identity. Tan theta equals sine theta by cos theta. In the second page. Tan theta is sine by cos. Then what will be the value of sine tan theta? Tan will be sine by cos. So value of tan will be sine by cos. So 0 by 1. 0 by 1 is 0. 1 by 2 and this 2 and 2 cancelled. Then this number is 1 by root 3. This number is 1 and 1 cancelled. So this will be 1. And this number is 2 cancelled. So 60 value and 1 by 0. What will be the 1 by 0? 1 by 0 will be not defined. Tan is sine by cos. Okay. Now take question number 2. Question number 2 is if sine theta plus cos theta is equal to under root 2. Sine theta plus cos theta root 2. This question is PYQ question, previous year question in CPO, CDS and CGL, all exam. Sine theta plus cos theta is root 2. Then what will be the value of sine theta minus cos theta? Sine theta minus cos theta. Sine theta cos theta is root 2. Then what will be the value of sine theta minus cos theta? Try to solve this question. 70 degree, 72.15 degree, and 5 degree. There are many comments about 70 degree, 72.5 degree, 50 degree, 18 degree, 15 degree. Okay, then take list again. These students are saying what will be the value of 75, 70, 50, 18, 15. These are basic angles 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. In case of 70 or 75, will be combine 30 and 45. In case of 75 degree, we use 30 degree plus 45 degree. Okay. Next is saying about 15 degree. So in case of 15 degree, we'll use 45 minus 30 degree and putting the values of 45 and 30 or 75, 15, and rest are saying 18 degree. I will explain in the next class 75, 15, 22 and a half, 18, 15, 12, many more. 18 will be converted by 18 multiplied by 5. 18 multiplied 5 will be how much? 90 degree. And we know very well value of 90. Okay. So these are the basic angles 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. Rest of the angles will be getting by using these numbers. Done? Okay. Now okay, done. So sin theta plus cos theta root 2. Then what will be the value of sin theta minus cos theta? I think now take the basic approach. First write what will be the basic method. Method number 1, to find the basic method. Basic method for any question. Sin theta plus cos theta. Okay. What will be the value of sin theta and minus cos theta? Sin theta minus cos theta. Sin theta minus cos theta. First square this number. Square means sin theta plus cos theta and according to algebra whole square. A plus b whole square. In place of a sin, in place of b will be cos. A plus b whole square, and this number will be root 2 square. This is the basic approach. Okay. Now equate this number. So a plus b whole square, that is a square plus b square plus how much? 2ab. 2ab means 2 sin theta and cos theta equals root 2 square. How much? 2. 2 is okay. Square of root 2, square and root cancelled, that is only 2. Sin square theta plus cos square theta, identity. Value will be 1. Okay. So this number will be 1. Now shift this number. 2 sin theta, so this will be 1. So shift this number. So we are getting 2 sin theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta. 2 sin theta into cos theta and then 2 minus 1. So this will be 1. This will be 1. 2 sin theta cos theta and this will be 1. Any doubt? Back row? Any doubt? All okay, right. Done. Value of 2 sin theta cos theta is 1. But we have to find sin theta minus cos theta. Now sin theta minus cos theta. In the next page, we want to find sin theta minus cos theta. So write sin theta minus cos theta whole square. Taking the square, this number. Sin theta minus cos theta will be sin square theta. Now, sin square theta plus cos square theta and minus 2 sin theta minus 2 sin theta and cos theta equals 2 sin theta and cos theta. Sin square theta plus cos square theta will be 1. And this part will be minus 2 sin theta cos theta. This is the value of sin theta minus cos theta whole square. Done. But we have to find only sin theta minus cos theta, not square value. Sin theta and only without square. So this will be equal to under root without square. So use 1 minus 2 sin theta cos theta. Done. 2 sin theta cos theta. In the previous page, what is the value of 2 sin theta cos theta? In the previous page, 2 sin theta cos theta is 1. Okay. So now put this value, 2 sin theta cos theta. So this value will be 1. Now 1 minus 1. So you are getting under root 1 minus 1, that is 0. So 0 square root, that is your answer will be 0. So sin theta cos theta value will be 0. This will be your complete answer. Sin theta minus cos theta will be 0. This will be your answer. This is the basic procedure. Basic long procedure according to school, 9th and 10th class. Is there any kind of argument, confusion, any doubt? Back row? Also, okay, right. Now take the tricky procedure for that question. Now write exam procedure. Method number 2. Method number 2 will be tricky solution for this question. If sin theta plus cos theta, sin theta plus cos theta equals under root 2, then what will be the value of sin theta minus cos theta? Sin theta minus cos theta. So in this type of the question, that is, if sin plus cos is given, sin minus cos asking, or sin minus cos is given, sin plus cos in your question. If plus, then minus. If minus, then plus. In sin cos series. So always write under root in any question. Always write 2. Plus and minus, minus and plus in both. 2, and for all question write minus. Under root always write 2 with minus. Plus to minus, then minus, minus to plus, also minus. 2 and minus fixed. Root symbol fixed. Now take this number and then subtract square of this number only. Square of this number. This will be 2. And 2 minus 2, 0. 2 minus 2 will be 0. So your answer will be 0. In single line, your answer is 0. In any question. In any sin cos question. There are only 6 namings. Sin cos, tan and cot, cos and sec. There are only 6 names. Out of 6, in any question of sin and cos, always will be your answer square root and 2, and then subtract square of this value. If root 2, square of 2. If 5, 5 is square. If 1, 1 is square. If x, x is square. Okay. If this part is okay, then try to solve a new question. Try to solve a new question. If sine theta plus cos theta, sine theta plus cos theta is equal to x. Sine theta plus cos theta is x, then what will be the value of sine theta minus cos theta? SSC previous year question. Your answer? Sine theta minus cos theta. I will explain all angles in the next classes, like a 64, 11, 100. Okay. Don't worry. I will explain all angle in the next class. Don't worry. Okay. Sine theta minus cos theta. Sine theta plus cos theta is x, root 2, 5, 6, 70. In case of sine theta minus cos theta, always write under root, always write 2. In any question of sine and cos, minus, then square of this number. So 2 minus x square, this will be your answer. Under root 2 minus x square. Under root 2 minus x square. Any kind of confusion in this question? Okay. Now take question number 3. Question number 3. Question number 3. Question number 3 is if sine theta plus cos theta, sine theta plus cos theta, sine theta plus cos theta equals 15 by 17. 15 by 17. Then what will be the value of sine theta minus cos theta? Sine theta minus cos theta. Sine theta plus cos theta is 15 by 17. Then what will be the value of sine theta minus cos theta? Now solve this question. Online students. Okay. I will explain in the next class 100 degree, 11 degree, 64 degree. Okay. So don't worry. Don't worry. I will explain all your questions. Okay. Sine theta. Yes. Sine theta minus cos theta. Sine theta plus cos. So without any kind of confusion, write square root and then write 2 minus and square of this number subtracted. Square of this. Square of this number will be 15 by 17 square. So this number will be 2 minus 15 square 225, 17 square 289, 17 square is 289. Now multiply this number by 2 and then subtract. Multiply 289 by 2 and then subtracting 225. Then your answer will be under root this number, and in the lower denominator will be 89. Now this number will be 289 is the square root of 17, and try to solve this question and write your answer. This will be your answer. Let me stay. Okay. So this part is okay. Any confusion? Any argument? No. There is only one confusion and doubt. I think only one confusion. In all 3 questions, I am taking only sine theta cos theta. And question is always sine theta minus cos theta. Okay. In question 3, take question 2, sine theta cos theta, sine minus cos theta, simple sine, simple cos. Then doubt is, if in place of sine we are putting 5 sine theta plus 3 cos theta, then what will be the new answer? Okay. Now in all 3 questions, multiplier of sine and cos is always 1 and 1. If multiplying number changed, that is 3, 7, 8, 5, 2, then your answer will be under root 2 minus x square, or any change. So now new confusion and doubt in that question. So I'm taking a new question. I'm taking a new question, that is question number 1. We are taking sine theta and plus cos theta. Sine theta plus cos theta, and this will be equal to x. Sine theta plus cos theta will be x. And then what will be the value of sine theta minus cos theta? Sine theta minus cos theta will be, sine theta and cos theta will be Now check the nature of this question. Sin theta with multiplying number 1 sin theta, and this will be 1 cos theta, and this will be x. And also this one converted to 1 always, and this one like as 1. So 1 and 1. And we are saying under root 2 minus x square. Done. Why I am saying 2? Take under root. 2 can be written as 1 plus 1. Any doubt? 1 plus 1 minus x square. Write 2 or write 1 plus 1. Both are same. This is the square format. So write 1 as 1 square, 1 as 1 square. That is 1 square minus x square. So if multiplying number is 1 and 1, so always write under root 1 square x square. If multiplying number is 3, 5, 4, then we write under root 3 square, 4 square, 5 square. If multiplying number is 7, 3, 10, then we'll write 7 square, 3 square, 10 square. If multiplying number is in the previous questions 1 and 1, then we are giving 2. And what is the meaning of 2? 2 is 1 square, x square. So now in any kind of question, if multiplying number is 1, then okay. If 3, 5, 4, then 3 square, 5 square and 4 square. Now in any question of sine and cos. Okay, so write this number. Now assume this number is as A, and this number like as B, and this number like as C. If this number is A, this number is B and C, so this number will be B and this number will be A, and then what will be the value of this number? That is 1, 1 in case of A, B and C. So simply write A square, B square and minus C square with under root. So your answer will be, in any question, under root A square plus B square and minus C square. This will be your answer. This number, second number, third number. Second, third and first. Okay. So now keep in your mind, that is A square plus B square. These numbers always in plus, that is A square plus B square, and this side will be minus C square. Okay. Now try to solve a new question. New question is, if 3 sin theta plus 4 cos theta is equals to 5, then what will be the value of 4 sin theta minus 3 cos theta will be? 3 sin theta and 4 cos theta will be 3 and 4. these numbers will be converted. These numbers will be reciprocal, will be to each other. That is 3 sine 4 cos will become 4 sine 3 cos always. What will be your answer then? I think 0. Okay, 0 will be answer. A, B and C. So write under root, that is A square. So write 3 square plus B square, that is 4 square, and then 5, then write minus 5 square. So this will be 9, 16, 25 minus 25. This your whole answer will be 0, and 0 will be your answer. This is the tricky approach for this question. This is the tricky approach for this question. In any kind of sine cos question, either use trick, either use A square, B square, C square, or take a long process. Take a long process. How? Squaring both the sides. By using basic method, now squaring both the sides, 5 square, A plus B whole square, and then solve. In exam, simple take 3, 4 and 5, A square, B square, C square, and question is solved. I think both are okay. Trick, basic part and tricky solution, both are okay. In any kind of sine and cos, and these numbers will be reciprocal always. Okay. Now take next question. Sine and cos part now okay. Now next portion will be sec, cosec, tan and cot. There are 6 namings. Sine cos okay. Now rest 4 will be left, that is tan and cot and sec and cosec. So now next question will be the part of sec and tan. Question is, if sec theta plus tan theta, sec theta plus tan theta is equal to 3, then what will be the answer of sec theta minus tan theta? What will be the answer of sec theta minus tan theta? In place of sine and cos, now next part will be sec and tan. Why I am saying sec and tan? Why I am saying sine and cos? So now check the first page. There are 3 identities. First identity in the form of sine and cos. So pairing will be sine and cos. Second pair will be tan and sec. So next part will be sec and tan. And third question will be paired with cot and cosec. So first pair okay, sine cos. Now I am taking second and then will be third. So new question in the part of sec and tan. Okay. This sec theta and tan theta. Sec theta and tan theta is 3. Then what will be the value of sec theta and tan theta? Your answer? Now don't apply under root 2 minus this square. That process is only for sine and cos. Then what will be the sec theta and tan theta? There will be 2 approaches. First will be basic and second will be tricky solution. Now I will explain first basic and then trick. Okay. So now take the basic solution for this question. Basic solution is, formula is 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. Now convert sec minus tan. So we can write sec square minus tan square theta will be equal to 1. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec. So we can write sec minus tan will be equal to 1. So sec square theta minus tan square theta. So now take sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. In the algebra, there is a identity a square minus b square. In one bracket a plus b and in other a minus b. Simple. So apply that formula, a square minus b square. So write a minus b and in the next part according to formula identity sec theta plus tan theta will be equal to 1. Now take this question. Sec theta plus tan theta is given 3. Sec theta plus tan theta is given 3. So now put the value sec theta plus tan theta. Sec theta plus tan theta is given 3. So this part will be 3. And question is sec theta minus tan theta. So this sec theta minus tan theta and multiplied by 3 equals to 1. So your answer will be sec theta minus tan theta will be 3 reciprocal, that is 1 by 3. So your answer will be 1 by 3. So if sec theta plus tan theta is 3, so then your answer will be sec theta minus tan theta is reciprocal of that number. If 3, then 1 by 3. If 5, then 1 by 5. But in sin cos, always use under root 2 minus x square. But in case of secant tan, if this part is x, then your answer will be 1 by x. If this part is 1 by x, then your answer will be x by 1, that is x. Reciprocal of this number only. Okay, so trick solution will be if sec theta plus tan theta is equal to x, then your answer will be sec theta minus tan theta will be reciprocal of that number, that is 1 by x, and this will be your answer. So this is the basic and this is the tricky part. Okay, sec theta and tan theta. Now take next question. If sec theta plus tan theta is equal to 3 by 5, then what will be the value of sec theta minus tan theta? Sec theta minus tan theta will be, then what will be the value of sec theta minus tan theta? Answer? Reciprocal of that number? Okay, sec theta plus tan theta is 3 by 5, then sec minus tan will be reciprocal of that number, that is 5 by 3. Question in plus, your answer in minus. If we write f sec theta minus tan theta, sec theta minus tan theta is given 5, then what will be the value of sec theta plus tan theta? What will be the value of sec theta plus tan theta? Then in this question, this sign is plus, question in minus. In this question, this sign is minus and this question is plus. Answer will be same. Plus minus, then okay. Minus plus, then also same. Same question. 5, then write reciprocal of that number. That is 1 by 5. Answer. Okay. Now, last part is if cosec theta, if cosec theta plus cot theta is given 4, cosec theta plus cot theta is given 4, then what will be the value of cosec theta minus cot theta? There are six numbers in trigonometry: sine, cos, sec, cosec, tan and cot, and there are 6 numbers and having 3 pairs. First pair will be sine cos, second pair will be secant tan, and third pair automatically will be cosec and cot. So next pair will be cosec and cot, and formula will be 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. So cosec minus cot. So we are getting cosec square theta minus cot square theta will be 1. Like as sec square minus tan square. Same formula. Formula same. Sec square theta minus tan square theta will be 1. So cosec minus cot, that is 1. Sec minus tan will be 1. So procedure will be same for these 2 pair. Cosec and cot, sec and tan, both will be same. Cosec and cot will be 4, and question is cosec minus cot, then simply write like as जो है sec and tan. So your answer will be 1 by 4. This will be your answer. Both the procedure will be same. Only in sine and cos part will be under root 2 minus x. Rest sec and tan, cosec and cot will be same. Because formula is same. Cosec and cot is 1. Then okay, sec and tan will be 1. Then also okay. So nature of these 2 pairs will be same. So your answer will be 4 and then 1 by 4. If 1 by 4, then write 4. 6 numbers, 3 pairs, now all okay. Okay. 1 minute. Now write one question. If sine theta equals 3 by 5, sine theta is 3 by 5, then what will be the value of tan theta? Then what will be the value of tan theta? What will be the value of cos theta? What will be the value of cot theta? These are three questions. Sin theta is given 3/5. That is for the previous class. No. 11 degree, 100 degree, 64 will be the next part in the class second and third. Okay. So don't worry. Sin theta is 3/5. In the first page, sin theta is saying perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Now take the first page. Sin theta is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Now take this page. Sin theta is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Cos theta is base upon h. Tan theta is perpendicular upon base in the triangle. So apply this format. Okay. Sin theta is 3/5. So 3 will be perpendicular and this will be hypotenuse. 3/5 perpendicular. Now draw this triangle, because trigonometry is the measurement of sides and triangle. Relationship between sides and triangle only. So sin theta is p upon, take this part theta. Sin theta is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. In front of theta will be perpendicular. Perpendicular will be 3. Hypotenuse in front of 90. So this part will be 5. Now find base number. How can we find this base number? By applying Pythagoras theorem simply. Pythagoras simple, so apply base, perpendicular plus base. So simply we can write p square plus base square and equal to h square. This is Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. So this part will be b square, 25 minus 9. So this part will be 16. So base will be 4. Pythagorean triplet will be 3, 4 and 5. So this part will be 4. Now question is okay. Tan theta is perpendicular upon base. Cos theta is base upon hypotenuse. Cot theta is the reciprocal of tan theta. So write base upon perpendicular. So p upon base, that is 3/4. B upon h, that is 4/5, and b upon p, that is 4/3. This will be your answer. So you may find any kind of question, sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, by applying Pythagorean triplet in the triangle. Okay. So this is the first class, and in the next class I will take after 0, 30, 45, 60, I will explain 22.5, 11 degree, 7 degree, 70, 50, etc. Okay. Thank you guys. Okay.